So we have a slope of 2, and this is one of the points, x comma y. So if we set that up as 3 is equal to 2 times 0 plus b, we find that b is equal to 3. And since our slope is 2 and our intercept is 3, this is our equation. So the front of the roller coaster at the bottom of the hill, 15 feet above the ground. And it rises at a constant rate. That tells you that the second number here is the slope. So 8 times something plus 15. And that'll give us the height. So given the table, as n goes up by 1, f of n goes up by 3. And that's consistent. Our slope is 3. This is the only one that has a slope of 3. The trick is to recognize that this is like x and this is like y. So m is 1, and here's a point. So I can say 2 is equal to 1 times 0 plus b. So in other words, b is equal to 2. So I'm looking for something with a slope of 1 and an intercept of 2. So we're driving 1,000 miles and it's 250 miles per day, so the 250 is going to be the one with the variable attached. So this one is no good. And we're talking about the remaining distance. So it starts out at 1,000 and it gets smaller every day. That's why D is the right answer. We're not talking about distance traveled, it's distance remaining to the destination. So we have some different coins. The one with the P is worth 1 each. And with the G is worth 10, so it's probably going to be P plus 10G. And then there's a combined of 85. And there's our answer. At sea level, we start off with a boiling point of water. And when there's an increase in elevation, the boiling point decreases by about 1 degree. So we're going to see this small decrease and a starting value of 212. So these go away. And B has a huge decrease for every increase in elevation above sea level. So that's not going to be correct. Here's our answer A. We're looking for a line with a slope of 3. And that is the M right in front of X. So here's our equation for raising chickens between a certain time period and their total daily feed. If this is the daily feed, they then ask us about the total weekly intake. So we have to take what's up here and multiply everything by 7. So we can't just multiply only the first part, we have to multiply everything. That's why D is the answer. So we're increasing membership by n per year. Per is a keyword for slope, and we started off with B at the beginning. If we see starting value or initial value, that's the intercept. So we're looking at nx plus b, which is A.